Hello world, it's PrettyCoachEthel once again, and today I'm gonna show you a review about Wet n Wild Fiber Lash Mascara, which I found here in the Virgin shop here in Doha. It said in the packaging it's about 39% more volume in your lashes. I wanna know, I wanna see. Easier to apply rather than the true falsies. It's just like about 20 reals. Let's do this! This black is the first and third coating, and go for the second one where the fibers are. First, I'm gonna heat up this curler with this blower. Feel it? This is like curling your hair, and instead of the hair, it's the lashes. Once it's fine with you, you start curling your lashes. Okay, let's try this. Shake well. This is the first coat compared to this with nothing. And while still wet, let's do this second one. Roll it. It's in my lashes. And now for the third coating. So what do you think? Wow, I think it's fabulous. It's like magic. I think this product really works. This is for easy glam, plus the price that it's very cheap. So I think this product is a sweetheart. And I'm gonna use this product for my next videos. Thanks for watching again, and please like and share this video. And I think it's intended for people who find wearing falsies are